Well, this is unusual, but I thought I would just pop on here. I have a few projects that I want to do in order to get ready to do my two-tiered tray for spring. And so I thought I'd just share them with you. We're going to make these fast and furious. And I probably will do some of this off camera because it's kind of a long and tedious process. But I just wanted to show you what some of the projects, so that when we put them on the two-tiered tray, you'll know what we did to make them. So the first thing I'm going to do is to use this bowl that is, I guess, a candle holder from the Dollar Tree. But I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to use these glass beads, also from the Dollar Tree. You see they're round on the top and flat on the bottom, and they come in a bag like this. It says glass gems, and they have several different colors. I happen to have some already that are green, so of course that's what I'm going to use. So we're going to cover this entire bowl with these glass beads. And so I'm just waiting now for my glue gun to heat up, and we'll get busy beginning our first project for the two-tiered tray. See if I've got any. Oh, I do have some. All right. And then what I do is just go a little bit around and I will begin to put the beads. And they don't all fit just perfect. You can spread them out a little bit. And this wants to harden rather quickly on this glass jar, so you kind of have to work in a hurry. I don't like that one. There we go. Oh, down there. There we are. Now we'll just start going around here a little ways, down the sides. Whoop. See how that's coming? And you can't put too much on because this glue hardens almost instantly on this glass jar. Let's see if I can find a small one to go in here. Whoop, darn. That was not good. It's upside down. There we go. So we got around one row, and we're going to just keep on keeping on. I'll do one more row and then I'll do some off camera. And of course the glue strings are free. See how that's filling in? I'm gluing myself along with the beads. And you know how to get rid of these glue strings? If you have a heat tool, you just spray it with the heat tool a little bit and they all just go melt away. And you could do the same thing with a hairdryer. Ouch, that was hot. This glue gun, that issue with it is that it gets extremely hot. But I guess that's good here because it's hardening so fast. Okay, I'm going to continue doing this off camera and I'll be back when we get down to the bottom and show you how we're going to finish it off. Be back in a bit. Okay, we've got the jar finished with the beads and now I'm just putting a little piece of rope around the bottom. This is that rope you get at the Dollar Tree. And just to give it a little bit more of a finished edge. Isn't that something, huh? Isn't that pretty? Now, let me unplug my my glue gun. Because I'm going to plug in, I think, well, I guess I'm not going to plug in my heat gun because I don't know what I did with it. So, okay, so let me just show you how this is going to work. I have a set of fairy lights here. We're just going to unwrap them. Usually I have a candle on the tray, the two-tiered tray, but I thought this would be different, and I can always use it somewhere else when I'm not using it on the tray. So I'm just going to stuff all these lights down inside here. Now you can electrify this too if you can find an apparatus that will fit inside here. I have one, but I don't think it quite fits. I think it's a little too high for this particular bowl. There's a lot of lights on one of these things. Now I don't know if I can operate it with the battery pack on the inside. I know I can for turning it on right now, but whether I can do that, let me just see. I can. Look at that. Is that pretty? What a pretty light source, huh? And of course the fairy light remote has lots of different ones that I can do. Fade in, fade out. And it's also a timer. So I can put it on the timer and then it will come on at the same time and go off at the same time every day. And I got these at Amazon. So when I find my heat gun, I will run it over the top of this and just get rid of any glue strings. But isn't that pretty? And all it was some Dollar Tree beads and a Dollar Tree candlestick. So there's one part of my two-tiered tray that we'll put together Thursday. So I'll see you again. I have another project I think I'm going to try to get done before Thursday. So until I see you, everybody have a great afternoon, evening, morning, or whatever day it is. Play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.